Hey guys, it's Mike from Make Time Online, and this is just a quick video to show you how quickly you can set up your own website on Wealthy Affiliate. So if you go into websites and then site builder, you can get a website built pretty quick, and you can choose a free, your own domain, or register a domain. I'm going to register a domain for this, and we're going to call it WellFitFam. And then that should come up with the different options. You have .com, .org. If you can get a .com, I've already done the research for this, so I'm just going to add that to the cart. And then you just check out. And then all you need to do is continue. You can pay for a year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever you can do. I'm just going to put 1 year. It's your email address, whatever that is going to be. You don't need to see this, but I'm going to put my details in. So I just paid using PayPal. It's pretty simple, to be honest. And then you go into build a new website. Name for your website. And then all you need to do is choose your theme. So I'm going to search for Generate Press. Keep hearing good things about this one. So it's free to start with. And then click here to build this site. Just need to wait for a little while. You can see it just goes through. I'm creating this on the 14th of September 2019. Brand new website. Let's see if I can show you. So it is the 14th of September 2019. And that's it. Website is created. Absolutely nothing more to it. And you can just log in and go straight to your back page now. So I will set up all of the things that you actually want to set up. You can go through to appearance, customize, and you can see that's probably taken under 2 minutes from start to finish, buying a domain name and everything. And it's just a case of playing around with it now. But that is it. You have a website created.